Hi everyone. Now let us check how to open our React app in VS Code. VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, open the command prompt cmd. So what was the folder name which we have created directory? cd react js1. What was our React app name? First React app. Then next code space dot. Now our React app has been opened. It contains node module, public folder, SRS folder, git ignore, package log JSON, package JSON, readme. Okay. What is the use of node module? Node module stores folders of packages from here we can call all the packages. Okay. Public folder contains, see, favicon, index.html, logo129.png, various commands. src source folder, it contains app.css, it contains the CSS styling part, app.js, it contains the JS part, app.test.js, it contains the testing part, then index.cs, index.js, so it contains various inbuilt path files. So what is the use of git ignore? If you want to store our project in GitHub, then if you want to ignore some files, means if we don't want to share some files, we'll store the files in git ignore. What is the use of package.json? Okay. What is the use of package.json? It stores the packages, whichever we have installed, it stores the packages, dependencies, libraries. Okay. Package.log.json manages the versions and dependencies of the packages which has been stored. All the installed packages will be stored in node module. So what is the use of readme? If we are uploading our project on GitHub, then readme gives the details of our project. And if we don't want to share some files on GitHub, then we can store that files in git ignore. Public and src are two main folders. So how the React will run? React will run the index.html first, and we need to include the link of app.js. Okay. src folder is very important folder. The files present in this folder is known as components. So there are different components present in src folder like app.css, app.js, app.test.js. So several different components are present. So this is the introduction. Now let us open app.js. Here function app is present. Let us add one variable. Let name equals to React.js. Now how to print this name? Okay. I want to print this name inside this div, okay, add one hashtag. So whichever variable we want to print, we need to add it in the curly braces. So here type the variable name. Okay. Now how to run this? Go to Viv, Terminal, then open here command prompt. Here type it as npm start. See here, our variable name is displayed here, React.js. Next, if you want to add the object, let obj equals to, okay, we can add the objects, we can add the array elements in the React tab. Object is a key value pair. Then open the brackets. Then here, inside the double quotes, name, colon, double quotes, React, then put a comma. The next description, DESC, colon. So what is the description about the React? It is a library for UI. Library for UI. UI stands for user interface. Okay, put a comma here. We'll add a version. So version 90. Okay. Now, how to display these objects? What we need to do? If you want to display these objects, what we need to do? Okay. Inside the div tag, if you want to access the name of the object, obj dot name. So name will be printed. Div. We want to, everything should be inside curly braces. Obj dot description. Now run the app. Just check it. See, React library for UI. Okay. Suppose if you want to add the array. Let n equals to, so n is the array name, add the elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So add the elements of array. The next, how to display these elements? Just now we have added the elements of the array. What is the array name here? Array name is n. By using map function, we'll call this elements. Okay. Inside the div tag, so n dot map. So we stand here for value. Here use the arrow function. Equals to, then return. Inside return div tag, return the values of an array. So here value is denoted with P, D. So it will return the values of an array. If you want to add any expression, we can add in the curly braces. Want to add in expressions, then we can add in the curly braces. So close this div app, then check the output. Open the command prompt, npm start. See, 300 port is already open. Do you want to run with some other port? It is asking us. So we need to select S. See, all the array elements are printed here. Suppose let us go to app.css. Create one dot main. So add the color. and add background color. Any background color you can select. Then add margin. Choose the margin as auto. Then max width. Equals to 1500 pixel. Okay. Then next we need to add this in the app.js. Here remove this app and name it as main. So go to the terminal. npm start. So it is showing some error. Go to app.js. Alt up arrow. Okay. So hyphen we should not give, we would give the underscore. We have to keep the colon here, not the equal to. Now everything is fine. Okay, let us check. See, we'll change the max width to 1500. Check one second. See. In this way, we can make the changes to our React app. I hope you have understood the concept, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.